K-Tech here, and sorry I haven't been uploading. I haven't uploaded anything recently because I've been building this $600 gaming PC. Yeah, with this I'm going to be using it for video editing, so you can expect better videos from me and playing games on it, and you can expect gaming reviews. So subscribe for that so you can stay tuned and see all that. So but let's go over the specs of this thing. 8 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM, clocked at 1.3 gigahertz or 1.333 megahertz. I have an AMD FX 8350 clocked at 4 gigahertz. It has 8 cores. And I have not got a graphics card, but I plan on getting a EVGA GT 730. Yeah, I think that's right. But it's a cheap graphics card, but I'm on a budget, so anything's better than the integrated graphics that this motherboard has. I don't remember what kind of motherboard this is, and I've already threw away the box, so yeah. But I have an EVGA 600 watt power supply, and yeah, it's 80 plus bronze. Let's see if that will focus. There we go. It's 80 plus bronze, and then I have a 320 gigabyte hybrid drive. It's a SSHD and a Seagate Momentus series, and a just standard optical disk drive, and that's just about all. So, but stay tuned for more. And if you like this video, thumbs up. If you did not like this video, thumbs down. If you hated this video, then do whatever haters are gonna hate. So, but if you really love this video, subscribe for more. Bye.